Hey everybody, it's another beautiful day in southern Louisiana. Me and my wife have been on a camping trip. I want to show y'all how awesome this portable outdoor kitchen we got is. We've been together for a while, and as our relationship has grown, so has the length of time we spend camping. When we were younger, I would cook over the fire for breakfast one night overnight, but since then we've gotten to where we take 3- and 4-day trips sometimes, and that's just not doable. Cooking off the ground it's just not for me anymore. So my wife was kind enough to surprise me with this one day, and it's changed my life. It's got a ton of features I want to try to show you guys. The first thing I want to talk about is how portable it is. It's really lightweight. It folds down into about a large briefcase size. It's got a strong nylon handle, and it sets up in less than 2 minutes. First time you set it up, it might be kind of screwy, but after that, you should have it under control. All the latches are really strong little elbows. They're easy to break down and snap back up. And once this thing's together, it's really stable for what it is, for sure. But if you are tailgating, camping, family picnic, family gathering, or you're just outside and need a countertop to do something on, this is where it's at, man. This thing is awesome. So it's got, first things first, it's got little straps like this that you can hook your paper towels up on. It's got hooks everywhere to hang things from. Cup holders all over the place. This countertop right here is pretty much made for cooking. It's heat resistant and it holds about 50 pounds. So any camp stove or anything like that, it's well sufficient to cook on with something like this. This bottom rack is for dry goods. It doesn't hold quite as much weight as the top, a little over 30 pounds, but it'd be hard to cram 30 pounds worth of stuff in there anyways. All these little flip tables, you could leave them down if you want to, but we try to make use of all the space it's got. So we flip all of them up, and they all have the same, little locking elbows at the bottom. This thing's really neat too. It's a beautiful day out here right now, but if we're out here till the sun goes down, you can extend this guy up, pop this guy up and down, and it's a little lantern rack. And so right at eye level, everything lights up really, really nice, and it tucks away really well too, so it's not in your way if you don't need it. One of the features that's on here that you can't see right now, I'm gonna scoot this over. This thing has a sink also. It's really neat. You fill this guy up with water, wash your hands, wash your dishes or whatever, or you could fill it up and leave it static as just a vessel. And it has a hose with a valve on it down here that you could turn on. It's got a little plastic shower head. It's not, you're not gonna get high water pressure like you're at home or anything, but it's definitely enough to wash your hands or clean up after cooking. Really convenient. So, like I said, when it comes to being outside and cooking, especially if you're like us and you just have a lot of things and you want to be up off the ground cooking in nature just to keep your food safe and away from all the bugs and critters, this is where it's at. And because it's mobile, you can move it around and always be in the shade, because I used to deal with that constantly. It's hot enough to be cooking over an open fire, much less squatted down on the ground with the sun beating on your back. I've been there more than once, and I won't be there again. So anyway, if you were interested in getting this thing, I hope this video helped you, and I appreciate you watching. Y'all have fun, stay outside.